Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Tuesday, October 11th. Stocks on Wall Street seem to be taking their cues from Europe lately. Yesterday, optimism about a possible recapitalization of Eurozone banks helped push the Dow Industrials up nearly 3%, their biggest one-day advance in 2 months. But today, stocks may give back some of those gains, and the markets across Europe are fading as well. Investor sentiment is dimming ahead of a vote on the expansion of the Eurozone Rescue Fund. Slovakia's parliament seems to be short of the votes needed to approve the enhanced powers for the European Financial Stability Facility. The proposed changes would allow the fund to buy government bonds and provide a backstop to European banks. Failure by any member nation to pass the bill could delay the implementation of the EFSF's new powers.
The expected failure of that vote in Slovakia is dragging down the region's shared currency, along with its equity markets. Right now, the euro is dropping back below $1.36. The dollar is also rising against its other major rivals, and that's acting as a drag on commodities this morning. Gold is dipping back a bit, now trading at around $1,665 an ounce. And crude oil is falling back below the $85 a barrel mark. However, we are seeing some strength in the Asian markets. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index led the way with a nearly 2.5-point gain, powered by big gains in financial stocks. That's after the state-owned China Investment Corp increased its holdings in 4 of the country's biggest banks. The move is seen as an effort to shore up market sentiment amid recent concerns about mounting risks within China's banking sector.
On the corporate front, we're keeping an eye on shares of the big car rental companies. Dollar Thrifty Automotive is tumbling 4% in the pre-market, after saying that it plans to remain an independent company. The firm will go ahead with a plan to buy back $400 million in stock as it continues to fight off a buyout offer from Hertz Global Holdings. Hertz is jumping nearly 5% on the news.
Earnings season unofficially kicks off after today's closing bell, when Alcoa releases its third quarter results. But investors may be paying special attention to the bank's profit numbers. JP Morgan Chase is the first to report on Thursday, and some analysts fear a rough quarter for the financial sector. And finally, the Federal Reserve will release the minutes of its latest policy meeting this afternoon. That report is due out around 2 p.m. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.